I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So first what you'll need is some baking soda, and then you'll need some lotion, glitter glue, or any kind of glue, compact solution with boric acid, and then Model Magic Crayola, a bowl to put it in, and then you'll need a teaspoon or any kind of spoon to mix it up. So let's get started.
3.
So what you're going to do is you're going to pour all the glue inside your bowl. So what I'm doing is just pouring all the glue in the bowl. I don't know if I'm going to get all of it in because it's just stuck.
3.
Mix in a 4th teaspoon of baking soda. Let's put it in. Mix it up. Mix.
3.
Add a little bit of lotion, but remember,
That's it!
Sorry about the blooper, guys. We're going to keep mixing. Get ready, guys, because this is your activator. So squirt some into the bowl and then mix. It's gonna start, okay. It's gonna start being a little bit thicker. You may have to add a little bit of more activator.
Pour in a little bit more, honey.
I did.
No, but just squirt. Don't worry about. There you go.
Keep mixing